In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL live on your TV. Let's get started. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet and that you have a compatible streaming app installed. One option is to use NFL app. Open your TV's app store, search for official NFL app and install it. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your NFL account. Depending on your subscription and the game you are trying to watch, you can access available live games, NFL Network content, or other NFL programming directly through the app. You can also watch NFL games through the live streaming services such as YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Sling TV, or other supported providers. Simply download the services app on your TV, sign into your account, open the live guide and find the channel broadcasting the game. You can also use the NFL app and connect to your TV provider if the game requires provider authentication. If you already have an NFL Plus subscription, keep in mind that not every live regular season game is available for direct TV streaming through NFL Plus. Some NFL Plus content, such as NFL Network, NFL Red Zone with the appropriate plan, preseason games and game replays can be available on supported TV devices. And that's how you can easily watch NFL live on your TV. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.